Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting facts, device model, Android version, and the exact app build. Once done, back up app data and enable developer options with USB debugging so you can inspect logs. Next, check Play Store status, free storage, and battery level. Low storage or a stalled update often causes crashes. Make sure you can reproduce the error reliably, note steps, inputs, and timing. This focused setup lets you move into targeted fixes instead of guessing at causes. Reproduce the issue while capturing logs with a DB Logcat or Android Studio. Filter by the app package and the exact time frame to isolate relevant lines. Once you have a stack trace, map exceptions to source code or libraries so you know whether it's logic, lifecycle, or native memory. Also inspect network calls, permission denials, and ANR traces. These reveal underlying timing or resource issues. If the trace points to a dependency, check its changelog and versioning to understand why. Apply the targeted fix. Adjust lifecycle handling, guard nulls, fix threading, or update/rollback the offending dependency, and change manifest permissions if needed. Once patched, run unit, instrumentation, and UI tests, then verify on the same device and an emulator to confirm the issue is resolved. Finally, deploy a staged release and monitor crash analytics closely. If crashes persist, reproduce with added logging. If problems continue, one key tip: create a minimal repro APK to isolate the failure and speed debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.